What's the earliest time you should daven mincha? The answer is going to be dependent upon why we daven mincha. If we daven mincha because of the patriarchs, Yitzchak, then there's no difference between davening at an early minyan, 6.5 hours into the day, or at a later minyan, 9.5 hours into the day, namely mincha gedol or mincha ketana. At the end of the day, the Gemara says that you can daven mincha when the sun starts going the other way, the walls start getting dark, and there's no difference. But if we patterned it based on the korbanot, the korban tamid shel ben arbaim, for which we daven mincha, was always brought at 9.5 hours into the day, with one exception, Erev Pesach, that came out on a Friday. And from this perspective, there's definitely a preference in the Rambam and in the Shulchan Aruch to daven at a later mincha, what's called a mincha ketana. However, the Rosh disagrees, says there is no difference, and at the end of the day, I'm not so sure we have an actual determination on this. Am Yisrael has paskin, there is no difference, and therefore, if you can, daven at a later minyan, but any excuse, lechatchila, you can daven at an early mincha minyan.